Something just stuck me in the toe.
It's getting a lot worse. Shoots up the whole body.
Something just stuck me in the toe. Not sure what that is. See if there's any lifeguards on duty. Probably not. They can check it out. Sure does hurt.
It hurts a lot, but I don't think it gets worse. I think it just went really deep. I don't know. I just hope that there's not like a piece of something still sticking out of me. I gotta find a spot to sit down and check. It's bleeding a lot. Went deep. Oof. Oh yeah, it's getting worse. Pain is getting a lot worse. Spraying blood everywhere. I asked a guy that was walking to tell the lifeguard I'm hurt down here, but I don't think they're open yet, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Oh, but it's getting a lot worse. And I'm barely moving. Each step I take, I'm spilling blood. You can see my trail. Ooh. Each time I step on that heel, because that's all that's in the ground, it just shoots up the whole body. Yeah, this sucks.